Okay friends, I hope you have practiced the squares from 10 to 20. Now moving on with the same concept and finding the squares beyond 20. The concept is pretty much similar with a small justification to the concept. Let us take the example of finding the square for 22. If you remember, the square of 2 is 4 and 22 plus 2 is 24. Now instead of writing 24 over here, we need to make a small adjustment, that is by multiplying the number 24 with the number which is at the units place, and that is 2. So 24 into 2 is 48. So putting 48 over here, I can see that the square is 484. Let us revise the concept. The square of 4 is 16. 34 plus 4 is 38. Now we need to multiply this 38 with this 3. So 38 into 3 is being done by the concept of splitting. That is 38 can be written as 30 plus 8 and that has to be multiplied with 3. So 30 into 3 gives me 90 and 3 into 8 gives me 24. So 90 plus 24 is given by the sum 114, and writing down this 114 by leaving one space on the right and adding these two numbers, I get the answer as 1156. Please, before doing the further problems, kindly pause the video and practice the squares of 61, 88 and 97 for yourself. To give you a hint, in this we need to multiply the number with 6, the number with 8, the number with 9, and after getting the answers, kindly move on with the example of 101. I'll discuss the example of 101 with you, that is the square of 1 is given by 1. 101 plus 1 is given by 102. Over here the number is 10. So we multiply 102 with 10 and get 1020. And writing it down over here, hence the square of 101 is 10201. Again pause the video and solve the examples like 112, 123, 120, 127, 134. Just you need to keep in mind that over here you need to multiply the number with 11, over here with 12, over here again with 12, and over here again with 13. The multiplication is not very tough because I have discussed a small concept of splitting the numbers and then multiplying it. In one of my videos, I will discuss the splitting method in full detail. Kindly go through that video. The squares are very important as it saves a lot of time in solving the problems. So kindly do practice, give yourself mock drills, give yourself mock numbers, and the best way to practice squares is by giving 5 numbers to yourself every day and try to calculate the answers by not using pen and paper and mentally, and solve them every day for 5 minutes. In the initial period you might not be able to get 5 out of 5, but gradually with practice and thorough everyday revision you will be able to do 5 on 5 within short span of time. ठीक है बॉस?